Short update video, MayHemAutoWorkz, man bike. Flip up A36 hot rolled. A36 hot rolled. AR500 down below. A little bit of caging there on the front. Basically when the door is closed, this edge that you see here will be sandwiched into the door frame, so it ain't gonna move. This will be sandwiched, this will be sandwiched. So pretty sandwiched in. A lot of the straps to hold this in, which is nice because I can slide it back once I'm in the vehicle to take up this gap. I'm gonna put some Level IIIA soft material here, cover this gap, do a little overlap. This piece here, A36, pushes inward on this piece, which is, as you can see, clearly bolted in, so it ain't gonna go anywhere as far as inbound rounds, which is the point. Again, little pistol resistance, a little bit of rifle resistance. This will cover down to just about my thigh when I'm sitting in the seat properly, towards my whole head and everything else. This is 17 inches. This is 18 inches. This is another like 6 inches. So we're pretty well covered. This is just to prevent people from reaching in and grabbing my steering wheel without a little bit of effort, because again, to get your hand in here, you have to turn your hand sideways, which means once you put your hand in, you can't pull it out, which means I drag your ass down the road. So, MayHemAutoWorkz, man bike. Short little update on the DIY armoring. Just thought of adding that piece back in. As you can see on that side, we have the full piece in behind that other piece. That's a flat position panel. Again, same idea over there though, as far as, you know, leather straps holding that in. I can also remove that when not needed, so the plate can just lay in the back behind the seat on the floor. Same thing with this one on this side. And again, these Velcro straps are not for holding it. These are just here to hold items you might want, because it's Velcro. You can stick stuff to it. I do have some magnets coming in to hold my pistol or whatever I need. I'll put two, maybe one here or two here, hold a rifle, pistol, whatever I want. That way at least it's here when I need it. And again, this flips down when, you know, not in use, so that way local LEO don't freak out. Again, MayHemAutoWorkz, man bike, DIY, armor resistant, aka bulletproof, bullet resistant armoring of your vehicle. Do as you may. Again, this is for educational purposes only. Do not attempt this at home. Blah, 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 blah. Thank you.